Hello and welcome to our overview of this one-of-a-kind redirect solution. By the end of this video, you're going to be absolutely amazed of all the features. It's got everything you can possibly think of. Me and Richard worked long hours to put this together, and you're going to see the results, and you're going to be absolutely amazed. I guarantee it. It really is much more than a redirect. So without any more delay, let's get into the overview of these fantastic features. You can transform long affiliate URLs into short URLs, like the links you're on right now. The link you're on right now from the Warrior Forum is quite long. Okay, you don't really want to be putting that into emails, so you could create a short URL, a really short URL, and it will redirect to the Warrior Forum, whatever you're promoting. And it also is great for affiliate URLs, where it protects your IDs that are usually embedded in the URLs, because a person never sees it. Okay, so basically it protects your commissions, and that's in other words, your cloaking. Okay, so let's continue here. You can expire a redirect for any certain date and time, start date, end date. Okay, and this is great for like pre-launches that only last for a week or a couple of days, or you have a special deal that's only for the weekend. You can set a start end date for that redirect and then tell it you want it to go to this URL after it's expired. Okay, it's just incredible. It's a really powerful feature. It's great for if you want to set a download or a gift that's time limited, or a download that's you only want people access for a certain period of time. You can use it for that as well. I will also be going through all the screenshots from the admin on doing these things, okay? And that's down below. Okay, let's continue here. You can add multiple landing URLs for one redirect, and it rotates on the unique hits. So if you have a partner, let's say Bob comes in, he goes to URL 1, Sam comes in, he goes to URL 2. Okay, now if it's now up to 20 people, and then Sam comes back, he's going to go back to the original. If he clicks the same link, he's going to go back to the original landing page that he came in previously. Right? So if you're sharing commissions or something, that's the way it should work. It's a cool feature as well. You can add tracking IDs. This is powerful stuff. You can put a link on your blog. Say it's called blog. It's dog training, so blog dog would be your tracking ID. Okay, it'll collect stats on hits and unique hits from that link, and you know where it came from because of the tracking ID, and you can reset those stats at any given time. So you can analyze your clicks from the redirect stats, hits and unique hits. You can analyze your tracking IDs as well. You can reset those stats at any given time. You can disable or delete any redirect at any given time. We have one-click posting to Twitter, and it's a really cool interface. If you're already logged into your Twitter account, it will give you the title and the URL, and you click submit, boom, it's on your Twitter account. It's really simple to do. You can do it right from the interface. Same with Facebook, but Facebook will take the image that you set to the redirect and the description. Okay, and of course both of these use a unique, the Twitter and the Facebook use a unique tracking ID, so you know if it came from your Facebook wall or it came from your Twitter account. Okay, so you can track all your wherever the traffic's coming from. You can send a redirect into a viral frenzy by using our built-in social bookmarking feature. This is very powerful stuff. It's a bar that shows up on the landing URL at the top. It's got Google Plus. It's got Stumble Upon. It's got Twitter. It's got a QR code. It's got Facebook like and share. And I'll be showing you that in the other video. Okay, it auto builds a powerful redirect directory. It uses the description, image, and the redirect with a unique tracking ID. Okay, so you could we have a default directory, plus you could use our plugin with a WordPress blog, and you can and it doesn't have to be on the same domain. It can be anywhere, and it will work. And it's really simple to set up. We have all the tutorials to explain that, and it's powerful. I like the blog. I really like using that, and that's what I've used for mine. But you have the option. We have a built-in WYSIWYG that you can add HTML to your redirect descriptions, and it's used on the RS feed and your directory. Okay, so you can add some style to it. You can add your image to a redirect using the thumbshots.com, which takes a snapshot of the landing URL. Okay, and it will use that as the image, and so you don't have to set any image if you use this. It's free or paid. I recommend the paid, but it's not. It's very, very cheap, and it takes a snapshot, like I said, of the landing URL. You can add a video introduction, review, gift, or anything else to a redirect using our built-in overlay creator with its own WYSIWYG editor. You can. It's a beautiful looking overlay that sits on top of the landing URL that's in the background, where you can do an introduction to the product. Very, 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 very cool. Okay, and I'll be showing you that as well. You can unset a global overlay or set it, and if you set a global overlay, it uses the default that you set a particular overlay to a default, and it uses that for every single redirect. You can turn that on or off with one click. Okay, you can disable any overlay for any redirect at any given time. You can date expire it as well, time, just like you can do with the redirect. You can expire it over time. You can set or unset our global bookmarking, so you can have the global bookmarking or the social bookmarking bar showing on every redirect if you prefer, and it's all with one click. We have global stealth mode. If you're not sure what stealth mode is, it's basically your redirect is the URL in the address bar, but the page that is seen on the landing page that you're on is the actual product page of what you're promoting. Okay, so it basically hides where they actually are. Okay, I'll show an example of that in the other tutorial. Okay, and so now you can monetize any blog with my special tool. Okay, this is really cool. It's hard to explain here. It's basically a little piece of Java code, and you have a URL to we have an RS feed. Okay, and this has the image and description in it, and you set keywords and how many products you want pulled in, and boom, it's there. You can set this to any page. I use it all the time on my download pages. It's a very, very cool tool. You're going to love this when I show it to you. You can send traffic to your directory using keywords to target your audience, and I'll show you how that works as well. You can auto import products from with your affiliate ID from any affiliate marketplace that has RS feed, like ClickBank and Davi, Wrap, Pay.com, and individual Wrap Action Profits sites. And I'll show you an example of this. ClickBank doesn't have its own RS feed. You have to use a third-party service. Just do a search. It's very simple to do. Import. You're done. Davi is a great marketplace. Once you have signed up with them, they have all the tools there for you. You just grab the URL and paste it into the RS feed, and you're done. It's really simple. Wrap Bank as well. Pay.com. Pay.com. You have to use a third-party service, but you can use individual Wrap Action Profit merchant sites, and I'll show you an example of that. This is really simple as well. So that's basically 90% of the features, or all the features of the best redirect. Now, when I show you what it does in the next video, it's really going to open your eyes. I've just told you what it can do, but the reason why I haven't put it into one video is because it's going to make it too long. Okay, so continue with your tutorials. The next video will be on the features, and you'll see these things in action through screenshots. Okay, so please continue with your next tutorial, and thank you.